Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something crucial in our democratic process, the qualities we should look for in a candidate and the attitude they should possess. The best attitude for a running candidate is one of genuine service. Genuine service is this isn't about empty promises or slick slogans. It is about deep-seated commitment to improving the lives of their constituents. A candidate with this attitude will listen more than they speak, focusing on understanding the needs and concerns of the community. They'll be approachable, transparent, and accountable for their actions. They'll demonstrate empathy, understanding the struggle faced by the ordinary citizens, and working tirelessly to find solutions. This isn't about popularity contests. It is about dedication to the common good. Beyond this core attitude, several other traits are essential, which is integrity. Integrity is a paramount. Voters need to trust their candidate is honest, ethical, and will act in the best interest of the people, not themselves. Next is competence. Competence is also vital. A candidate should possess the skills and experience necessary to effectively govern and address the challenges faced by the community. This includes strong leadership skills, the ability to collaborate with the others, and the capacity to make difficult decisions. And finally, commitment. Commitment to inclusivity is crucial. Uh, a successful leader embraces diversity, listens to all voices, and works to create a society where everyone feels valued and represented. Now, what should voters consider when choosing a candidate? First, as I've said earlier, first and foremost, integrity. Did you have a history of honesty and ethical behavior? Have they been transparent about their finances and dealings? Next, uh, evaluate their competence. What is their track record? What experience do they bring to the table? Do they possess the skills necessary effectively serve the community? Then consider their vision. What is their plan for the future? Do their proposals address the community's most pressing needs? And finally, assess their commitment to inclusivity. Do they represent the interests of all members of the community, regardless of background or belief? Choosing a leader is a serious responsibility. It is about more than just picking a name on a ballot. It's about selecting someone who embodies the values we cherish and who will work tirelessly to build a better future for all. Let's choose wisely. Let's choose leaders with the right attitude and the right qualifications to serve us effectively. Thank you.